everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take a one-off payment from a guardian's bank account that is on file or from a one-off credit card. Please note this feature is only available if you use Kidsoft's DebitPro feature. To start, you're going to click on the guardian's name, click on the Payments tab, and to debit a guardian's bank account or credit card, you must be on the Payment Credit tab. In the payment type, under DebitPro, you can select the bank account that's on file or the credit card, if applicable. If you would like to take it from a one-off credit card, you can select one-off credit card, enter in the card number and the expiry. So let's just switch back to the bank account that we have on file for this guardian. You would select the payment reason just like you would do for a normal payment credit. The payment date, depending on your setting configuration, this can be set in the future. You may wish to add in a description if you wish. And on the left-hand side, you can enter in a payment amount. When you're ready, you can click Payment Credit Payment. You can see the payment history listed there. And then when you switch to the Statement tab, it will highlight that a direct debit payment has been processed, and it will indicate that it's been created by a one-off. This will also be reported on the payments report. If you wish for users not to create one-off payments for a future date, you can go to the Settings menu, click on the Finance tab, then scroll down to under the Finance configuration and locate the Prevent Forward-Dated Credits and Debits. And to disable this feature, you can tick to prevent and click Save. So now if we go back to that payment credit and we select that BSB, we can no longer select a future date. When creating these one-off payments, they are processed at the bank on that specific date, and normal processing times will apply. For any further information on how to take one-off payments from a guardian's bank account or credit card, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials for more assistance with Kidsoft. Thank you.